Here we have our student. She got placed. She'll share some experience.
Hi, my name is Bhuvana. I am from Cambridge Institute of Technology under the branch of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. From there, I joined PySpiders. It has helped me a lot to gain more knowledge and also confidence. I have attended many mock interviews and also given presentations, which has helped me to boost my energy levels as well as the understanding on each topics. To thank Keshav sir and Alex sir for motivating me more and also to clarifying all my doubts each and every time I have asked without hesitating. I am very lucky to have got such good trainers and who has helped me to improve my